of the illegal superpowers. Somewhere between the city's sewers and its skyline sat a secret agency no one in power admitted existed. The Bureau of Ridiculous Affairs, they called themselves, and their tagline was simple: with great absurdity comes great red tape. Their job? To regulate, license, and occasionally confiscate all supernatural, superhuman, or super annoying activities before they spilled into the morning news. Like the giant holographic cat that just appeared over the city. "Get me the rule book," bellowed Commissioner Blunt, the cigar-chomping, eternally unimpressed head of the Bureau. He'd seen everything: time-traveling baristas, sentient staplers, but a Class C spectacle violation like this demanded immediate attention. He pointed a stubby finger at the glowing feline. His sidekick, Zap Girl, was already on it, over-caffeinated and buzzing with energy. Her power was simple. She could instantly charge any device. Her problem? She couldn't control the voltage. With a mighty, crackling surge, she aimed for the cat. But instead, the hologram flickered, then vanished with a pop, leaving 3 police radios on the desk smoking. "Aha! My work here is done," boomed a voice from the rooftop across the street. "For it is I, Captain Wow, who has bravely vanquished the spectral feline menace. And now, for my next daring feat, I shall narrate my own triumphant descent." Captain Wow, a self-appointed hero, whose only power was narrating his own life very loudly, struck a dramatic pose. Commissioner Blunt stared, unimpressed. "Another one," he grumbled, taking a drag from his cigar. "Zap Girl, get me his file. This is clearly an unlicensed public disturbance." Captain Wow, meanwhile, was still narrating his every blink. Zap Girl winced, covering her ears. "He's so loud," she whispered, her eyes twitching. Captain Wow's monologue continued, detailing the intricate thoughts behind his decision to scratch his nose. From the filing cabinets, a spectral form shimmered into existence, the paperwork phantom. A former vigilante, he was now cursed to live in triplicate forms, haunting the Bureau's archives. He tried to serve Captain Wow with a cease and desist order, but his spectral pen kept phasing right through the paper. "Blast these incorporeal implements," he moaned. Just then, Dr. Mundane shuffled into the room. He was the world's most boring genius. His inventions saved lives, but also had a peculiar side effect. They could lull people to sleep mid-conversation. He held a small, unassuming device. "Perhaps," he began in a voice as flat as a pancake, "a more administrative solution is required." Dr. Mundane approached Captain Wow, who, for once, paused his narration, intrigued by the sheer lack of excitement radiating from the doctor. "We have an opening," Dr. Mundane droned, "for a narrator of elevator safety videos. The pay is adequate, the hours regular." Captain Wow's eyes lit up. A captive audience. And so, Captain Wow found his true calling, narrating the thrilling saga of descending from Floor 5 to Floor 1. The city was safe from illegal superpowers, at least for now. The Bureau of Ridiculous Affairs had once again triumphed, proving that sometimes the greatest superpower was simply a lot of red tape.